I'm just about to make some shelves for a craft vendor. I know the size of the table and roughly the size of the items that the vendor is going to use. I have the vision in my head and I can map it out in 1:1 full scale on this piece of plywood here in the corner. I'm going to use this material, 1x2 pine. It's just a real common kind of utility board that you can buy at Home Depot or wherever for a couple of bucks for 8-foot long pieces. Check this out. Have a look at my life-size mock-up right here. So this is going to be the back of the shelf. This is going to be an angled front leg of the shelf. And then these are going to be the actual shelf boards, the little spaces in between them. And then the second shelf here, and one thing on the top that I can put little hooks in and hang small items on. And then it'll be open on the bottom, so you could put some items out here, stack them in. The actual table is going to be about 30 inches wide, coming up to about here. This is 20, and this is 30 tall. So actually, I want to make 2 of these shelves. I want to cut these. It's going to be like an angled piece. Oh, that looks pretty nice. That's that. One of those. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, so now I'll cut this. Got some cutoffs from those angled pieces. So I'll put the angle here on my template. I'm not even taking measurements for these. Just mark that right there. And then cut 4 of these. Now the next shelf here, just dummying it out, like I said, 1:1. Life-size mock-up here. Reduces the need for measurements and drafting and SketchUp and whatever. Yes, 3-pointer. Right, let's see. Now I want to cut these little pieces that are going to go to make the shelves and the little back side of the shelves. I'm going to make those 2 feet long and 2 will be a little longer. You'll see why. It will be actually 1.5 inches longer. So we've got 9 pieces at 24 inches each, and 2 pieces at 25.5 each. Because those will, the longer pieces will be the pieces that go on the back side. Since I already have this full-size 1:1 template already made, it's pretty easy for me to then turn this into a jig like this, so that I can just set the pieces in there. Up against these will be stops, what I'm putting here now. And then it'll make the assembly real fast, almost like factory style. Put one here. Got the trusty old Titebond 2.25 inch nails. We have a glue on here. Anyway, put this on here. Have a glue. jig is real nice. You can push the pieces together and get them to line up rather than like, oh no, are they all lined up and are they all square? That's the glue. This on here. Line it up with my marks. One done. Another one. Actually, I'll need some left and rights anyway. This is how I'm going to do the left and rights. So, right here. Nail in there. I have a left and a right. Nail my pieces in so it'll stand up. Something like this now. And then I'll put one on the back side and one on the top. Maybe in the future I'll try to make folding ones, but it's going to make more planning. It's too much work, you know what I mean? So I just want to like knock it off. Yeah, check it out. Polyacrylic. Good stuff. It's a nice clear finish. Good.